Hello people, this is Dropship and Grow Rich, and let me tell you, no, I'm not gonna tell you, let me show you how you can make six-figure income in 90 days. What I mean by this is I will be using new eBay account to show you by example, by doing myself on eBay, how to make six-figure income in the most quiet time of the year, June, July, August. All you need is 90 days and you are gonna reach the six-figure income in September. I know this is a bold promise, yes, I know, but trust me guys, I have been doing this already multiple times. I have been starting new accounts and helping new dropshippers to make six figures already. So let me do this one more time for you. All what you have to do, this is free training. Dropship and Grow Rich, free training. You can follow me daily, maybe not. I'm not gonna do daily because come on guys, I'm in my vacation. I'm in the summertime in vacation, and still being on vacation, I can tell you again. I will show you how you can make by doing. I will open new eBay account. Actually, I opened already new eBay account, and posting products by product, starting from zero. I am on eBay. a newbie right now. They don't know this. Only you. That's between you and me, because I want to show you by example what it means when you put your first product on eBay, what it means when you get your first feedbacks, what it means when you got your first restrictions, limitations, problems, cancellations. I hope it's not gonna be suspensions. But anyway, so let me enjoy my beautiful tropical garden, okay, being in vacation, and on the same time using my vacation for showing you by example, by posting products, by showing you, by teaching you tips and tricks, how you can do the same. And remember, I told you by the bold promise, I told you I will gonna do this pinky promise. I will gonna do this in a 90 days to create from ground zero six-figure income by eBay dropshipping in a manual way. No ads, no promoted listings, no eBay store payments, no softwares, listing maybe maximum 60-70 active items I will list. What else? You are gonna see in my videos, in my future videos, how I do this for you, and I strongly recommend you just to put something in a comment or subscribe to the channel and follow me. It's free guys, you have nothing to lose, and I will not gonna be talking, but I will show you actually on the screen what I'm doing. And if you serious about making a six-figure income in 90 days, below this video there is full training called $7.99, newest upgraded version this summer. Okay, you are gonna meet me there inside, and I promise you, if you are not making six-figure income from ground zero by $7.99, you just post somewhere on a YouTube, or you just shoot some message back to me, to my assistant, and all you have to say is, hello, I didn't make six figures with dropshipping, Andrew is teaching, and money back to you with no questions asked. Okay, because I don't want you to pay for my training if that training is not aligned with my promises. Okay, but because I know it's so simple to do six figures in 90 days by eBay manual dropshipping, despite on every single whatever it is there, promise out there, existing promise or mistakes we done before, I will show you by example. Okay, so now let's go into very first video. See you inside the video. and I'm not selling you here anything, just showing you the proven way from my experience how you can get from the zero to the six figures. This is what I did already, and for that purpose I opened a brand new account just to show in this training program how you can follow my progress. You can follow me weekly, daily, whatever you like. And I listed my first item already just to show you how it goes. Today is June 1st. If you are watching this video on July 1st or August 1st, so you know there has been some changes, and I will gonna update you, and you will come. Well, actually, what to expect here. Okay, so I will tell you everything. I will show you everything: how to make titles, how to find items, how to make them, how to list them, all the settings, stuff like this. You will see the progress here. You will gonna see the progress here. There is no paid tool. I want to make some claims at the very beginning. Actually, this will be very free going, kind of like, I don't know what you like to call it, webinars, tutorials, video programs, whatever it is. Okay. I don't use any paid tools. I don't use any paid softwares. I don't use Bluecare, Express tracking, converting, stuff like this. No warehousing, nothing. Only manual dropshipping with couple of dozens active items. Okay, no 1,000 listed items. No, guys, I'm not doing this. I know it's very popular out there. If you're expecting me to show you the best software or something like this, it's not how you make money on eBay. All right, I know you can make yourself popular, and gurus are making themselves popular on eBay, on YouTube, by teaching you stuff which is basically not working anymore. 6 years I have been in this field. I know what works, and I know what's not working. You will gonna see my this is the training account, okay? But in the future videos I will show you exactly how to do the keywords, how to do the titles that sell, how to start the products to list which sell. I will explain everything about hot selling products, where to find them, how to get them, how to sell them multiple times in a day, okay, by investing nothing. Here is the thing. When you know how eBay thinks, well, obviously it's not thinking because it's just an algorithm, okay? There is no 2 guys or 3 guys who is sitting there and pushing buttons now. The eBay runs on an algorithm. eBay have, I used to compare that eBay has this, the same algorithm like Facebook. If you understand how Facebook works, if you know when you post something on a Facebook and there is so many likes and so many comments, and so many shares, okay, it's exactly the same system works on the eBay as on a Facebook. If you post there something, you should have engagement. If you don't have engagement on your posts, eBay considers that you are spamming. It's the same with the Facebook. If you just post and post and post and post, and nobody likes and nobody comments and nobody shares, guess what happened with your Facebook account? Nobody can see it, even not yourself. Okay, so this will be, it's just my very popular way how to explain how algorithms works. All right, so that's probably a little bit introduction for the first video here for this dropshipping program, Dropship and Grow Rich. Okay, and if you have any questions, please comment below the videos, because when you will gonna comment below the videos some questions, I can just address those questions into the video format and give it them here. All right, so let's start from the very beginning to make some money. Open new account 1st June. The Canadians are limited on ebay.com. I will be selling on ebay.com. Okay, I will explain to you where to sell, ebay.com or eBay UK or eBay Germany or eBay Canada. All these things I will gonna explain to you. Okay, but I think that's pretty like enough for one just introduction video here, and watch for my next videos out there. All right, take care guys, bye bye.